Yes guys, I'm back in the kitchen, Joby's kitchen. Before I start this video, remember to like, subscribe, share the video, give me a thumbs up. Alright, I'm going to cook some curry chicken, but already seasoned up. I'm going to show you the clip of that. Today, I cook curry chicken with broad bean and rice and peas with vegetable. Okay, so the curry already burned in the oil. And I'm going to add some broad bean after. Yeah, we're going to add in the seasoning, carrot, sweet pepper, onion, and scallion. Already cooked. Yes guys, we're going to add the broad bean. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. That's so that the bean can cook a little more. Yes guys, this is the final dish. Curry chicken and rice and peas and vegetable. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.